Dito hindi tayo Pilipino.
Made it! Break love! Mas nakakatakot yata yung chairlift.
Ay, oh my God, you're scary.
Scary. Whoa! And we're here, guys.
We're here.
Okay, orders complete, guys. Bon appetit! Metamax. Good morning, guys! Time check, 7 a.m. So, palabas na kami ng hotel. Punta kami dun sa waiting area para sa bus pickup ng tour namin papuntang Great Wall of China! Ayan, so samahan nyo kami today. Punta tayo sa Great Wall. So, we're here na sa ICBC. At ng ICBC Bank. Yan. Dito namin hintayin yung bus, tour bus.
So make sure that you always arrive on time kasi the buses, trains, they arrive on time. Dito, walang traffic as compared to the Philippines. Hindi Filipino time. Dito hindi tayo Filipino. Time. Hindi Filipino
Bawalan
time.
Filipino time dito kasi ano sila, on time sila lagi. Dito kami sa bus stop waiting for the tour bus. So, this is how the bus stop look like here. Ayan siya. May pretty wifey. And there's a road. Time check 7:20. They're on time.
Take the Columbus Toboggan Great Wall, and our bus will be connected to a mall.
So, dun sa, ano na yun, sa scan lang yung passport. Tapos, okay na. Tapos ngayon, sakay na tayo ng bus, ng shuttle bus paakyat. Ayan. Ayan sila. That's the ticket for chairlift and toboggan.
Yes.
Ayan. There's a QR code na tinik ko na yung picture kanina. In case daw na mawala, pwede mo nang pakita yung QR code. In case mawala mo yung physical na card. So, Okay, sakay na kami ng bus. Medyo konti lang yung pila din today, guys. Good na pumunta kayo dito ng Saturdays kasi off-peak daw. So, sabi nung tour guide, Mondays are usually busy dito. Ay, Ming.
Oh my God, you're so big.
You're so big. You're so big, Mangsal. They are big. Dito sila nakatira. Hi. Hello. Great wall.
Left or right, and at some point, of course, the car ends, and that's when they stop the renovation. But I really wanted to say people were watching, so if he wasn't watching, I would pass by and like.
Yung cable car edit.
Diyan daw ba?
Ayun.
Okay. So, pwede pala dun sa kabila.
Oo.
Kaya lang sarado siya. So, ikot na lang tayo dun. So, yun pala guys. Hindi naman pala required na mag-stairs doon. You can
Oh, pero ganun din eh. Mahirap din yung
actually
packet.
take this. Kaya lang mahirap din. Right. Love. This is the cable car ticket office. There is a cable car lounge, cable car entrance. Walang elevator, no? Medyo mahihirapan ng mga
Bawal
senior.
senior. Oh, there's the cable.
There, guys. I'm not sure kung nakikita nyo. Somewhere there. Oh, we did it. And look at the view. Wow. Yan. Diyan tayo galing, guys. Look at the view. Okay, here. We can take a picture. And here is the cable car. Wow. Okay. Hello. Hi. They're so cute. Are you scared?
You're not scared? This is hi. Little boy.
Oops. Left pala, left. Then climb up. And first you will see the restroom here. Here. Let's go. And we're here, guys.
We're here.
This is the west side of the Great Wall of China. As you can see, medyo maraming tao today, pero not
It's a weekend.
it's a weekend, pero not that bad daw compared to Mondays na sobrang mas matao. Ayan. So, yeah. Surreal. It feels so surreal seeing this for the first time in person. So, thank you, Lord, for the opportunity na makapunta dito.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Lord.
Yeah.
Happy birthday na lang.
Thank you.
Oh? Kaya so pag dinare-diretso niyo pa yun, it's the Heroes
Heroes Love.
Platform. Hero Platform.
Heroes Look or platform. Yeah. So where you can get the full view ng Great Wall. Pero yun nga. Since limited lang yung time natin dito, guys, baka nyo na tayo pumunta doon. But at least we get to see the west side. And next, pupunta naman tayo doon sa kabilang side so we can see the east side. Alright. Oh. Ay. It's like labyrinths. Going down, love high.
Going down.
Going down.
No need na for passport going
Ay, di
down.
na.
Dito.
So, no need na ng passport pag bababa na.
Pila ka na.
Pila na lang sa entrance. Hindi, kailangan pa rin. Ayun, oh. Meron pa rin pala.
There is pa rin.
放到我绿衣架吧。好。
拿到了，
高吗？
高，围着到那么高嘛。
我才往下走。
妈妈，好啦。
We made it!
We made it! Oh my God.
That was nerve-wracking.
Tiring.
And
May round 2 pa. And that's going to be more tiring because of the Ano? Toboggan. Toboggan.
Toboggan. Yeah. So, gonna take lunch first, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Lunch first.
Take lunch first, charge, and then
We'll
we
be
will
back for round 2.
round 2 on the east side. Okay, ma-exit na tayo sa cable car.
今年成员票请谢服务乘客，未成年人免费开门不可用次数，虽然不费门票，未成年人免费门票加百新车往返。您进店成员票请成员团体请
Medyo marami ng entrance nga. Hi, love.
Hi. I'm hungry. I'm hungry and not hungry at the same time.
We're hungry na. For the taste. Try natin ang cable car. That's an experience. So mamaya medyo kailangan ng mas matinding
Enerhiya, tsaka mas open yun kasi it's
the chairlift
the chairlift.
going up is open, hindi katulad ng cable car na closed. So medyo mas nakakatakot yata yung chairlift. We'll see later. Sasama namin kayo, guys. Okay, so pababa na tayo. Pupunta sa lunch. So yung tour na nakuha namin, if you're gonna book it sa Klook, meron dong option na may kasama na siyang lunch. Meron na ring option if you wanna go with the chairlift and toboggan or cable car.
See you in summer palace. You're gonna also see the
Flower. Seven.
风法的吗？不是，这种花的，那种花的。这是 flower。
Flower.
Seven. 7号。Two people.
Yes.
So ito yung kasama na food nung sa Klook na package. I think may additional around 1,000 pesos if you want to include yung lunch or if included yung lunch do sa package. I don't know if it's sulit or not. May gulay and I think this is seafood. Hindi kasama yung drink. Yung drink ay separate. We have to pay 30 yuan which is equivalent to around 240 pesos. At the beginning talagang o-offeran ka na agad nila ng drink. Very business-minded ang mga Chinese talaga. So, let's see kung worth it yung food.
Let's eat, guys. Let's eat. Maraming rice. What's this? Squid?
I don't know. It looks squid to me. Yes. And it looks spicy. And then may pang
Meron silang maliit na ganito.
for the most part, it's always chopsticks. Okay, let's eat.
Hi guys. So papunta na kami ngayon sa chairlift ng toboggan ride. Andiyan yung kailangan na yun ng atin ng ano.
If you want to take the cableway or slideway, to take the cable car, please go upward.
Oh my god, it's scary.
Scary.
It's scarier than I thought. Okay lang muna nakakap ka kasi hindi naman mahangin.
No, nga.
So hindi naman siya tipong malalaglag. Halos malikot ka talaga. Okay, so pagkarating natin doon, bababa na tayo.
Oo, kasi 1:30 na.
1:30 na.
Siguro isang picture lang, mga selfie, tapos okay na.
春季群芳续结，冰习动用；夏季满山青翠，流水潺潺；秋季果实累累，
What a
红叶
view.
满山。
God, this
This
is
is
an
experience.
experience, my love. So, nung nasa South Korea na ganito tayo. Pero yun kasi medyo mas feeling mo safe doon dahil may net sa ilalim eh. Nung ano, eto wala talaga. So, kailangan lang talaga behave ka.
Bawal malikot.
Bawal mali.
Ayan na.
Pero hindi siya as scary as
Hindi naman
I
siya.
thought. I was worried na baka kasi mauga siya. But it's not. Very steady naman yung yung takbo niya. So, hindi siya yung tipong para kang nasa Ferris wheel mo kapata.
Kasi yun na yung Great Wall. Although side lang yung nakikita natin dito, guys. Ayun siya. Yan. Ayun siya. Ang ganda niyan siya. And below is the Toboggan. We're gonna go there later.
So yung iba they opted na ganito ang pababa nila. We're almost there.
There.
Hello, Serenity. Photo for your smile. Photo for your smile. Yeah. Hey. Hey, go. Focus. Go.
Ano pala siya? Oh yeah, nice. Oh, nice.
Okay, sir.
It's a nice photo. Ayan, nakuha na natin yung picture. Pakatan. Traditional Chinese.
For 239 pesos. 30 yuan.
30 yuan is 230 pesos.
239.
39 pesos. 240. Ayan, printed na siya. Sounds nice. Ang nice yung picture natin, oh. I love it. Awesome. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
So, medyo mahaba lang yung pila. Dito ka magsa-start sa loob niya. Ayan. And then, here, until papunta doon. Ayan. Hi, love. Haba ng pila. Patience is a talent.
30 minutes.
30 minutes in line.
Almost 30 minutes pa lang naman. Feeling ko mga 30 to 40 minutes yung pila.
30 to 40 minutes. Pero the view is so nice here.
So, appreciate the view.
Appreciate the view.
Sa perspective, it's either may inip ka, mas stress ka sa pila, or you'll just appreciate it.
Yes. So nice. Thank you, Lord. Almost there. Nice. Ano pwedeng ganyan na lang? Pwede po bang ganyan na lang? Pwede po bang ganyan na lang kami ng asawa ko? Yan, ganyan lang po. Okay lang po. So, explain natin siya. Tatanong yun. Kapag daw...
Magbe-break.
Hindi, pagka ito,
Ay,
forward. Forward, and then this one is break.
Break, yes.
Get?
Start. Yun.
生成票，生成票。
过了。喂，有过的人吗？有没有上过票的？有没有上过票的？2点。
Okay, good. Go! Yay! Whoa! Whoa! Love! Oops! Traffic. Are you okay?
Traffic.
There's a traffic jam there. Look at the view, guys.
So dito testingan lang.
Ha? Testingan. Oh. $35 distance. Woo! Break love, break. Break love. Kaya nga. Whoa! Oh! Ah! Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Are you okay, love? Are you okay? Love. Whoa!
至终点100米，减速慢行，沿着黄海路。
Whoa! Oh! It's done na. It's done. Nagpa-picture ka, love?
Ha?
Nagpa-picture ka? Yung kanina, may nadaan naka-picture. Okay. Woohoo! You did it! How nice.
哥的啊，
什么吧？
估计超过了200斤，可以呀。要不要先生？不要拍，30块。
30
30?
No take a photo
Okay.
23，就是这一张
OK 吗？
对，来手30
So 30 each?
哦，下
30
边长城吧
each? 60?
60
Yeah, 60.
，mira para
Okay.
allá atrás，
El te la va a vender como sea.
帮我看一眼。
，OK 吧？
Mano, mano. Du hast bitte Teller Kreuzer?
Nice.
My God, I'm so far.
So nice.
Close up.
Yay, we did it, love.
We did it.
It was an experience. This is our certificate that we completed the Toboggan
Experience.
experience. So, Try nyo to guys, sobrang saya. Nakakatakot lang sa una, pero habang tumatagal may enjoy nyo na siya.
Yes.
Kasi mas nakokontrol mo na yung toboggan.
Oo. Ano lang talagang dapat mindful ka lang kasi
Yes.
minsan nagka-traffic.
Minsan
So baka
nagka-traffic.
tamaan mo yung nasa harap
Oo.
mo. Well, natamaan ko ngayon asawa ko
Ilang
multiple
beses.
times. Buti na lang siya nasa harap.
Kaya nga. So, yun lang guys. Pabalik na kami ngayon sa baba. We can catch the bus ng 3:30. So, we're back sa shuttle. Hi, love. Love you. Yes. Thank you.
Are you happy?
Yes.
This is the memorable part yet?
It is. It's an experience.
Saktong-sakto tayo. Sa bus na to.
We're back.
Great Wall of China experience done.
Gonna exit. Bye. Hi guys, we are on the quest for Peking duck. So, samahan daw kami ng tour guide namin sa local place dito.
So there are two sides of
There's
this
two
street.
sides. This side daw.
So on this side,
On this side,
expensive and long wait time.
expensive
On this side,
and long wait time.
It's more local and more, cheaper.
This side daw.
Yes.
Local and more cheaper restaurants.
Cheaper.
On this direction.
Yung mga bus nat dito may mga sa bubong nila, parang cable na pang at charge siguro yung parang nila.
Bago natin sa TV.
Walking food tour na ang nangyari to sa atin. Yun daw ay mga noodle house. There. Hot pot noodles house.
啊，对，会叫。none tables in front. None tables. 10 tables. Oh, this is a 2-person table. This is a 2-person table.
Okay. The restaurant name is Shengpunyan.
Yes.
四位的。不是。
I'm willing to melt the years
No,
with you on the soft and
Chocolate.
warm bread.
Nice.
Oh, this is
Ooh,
the
this is the Peking duck. Nice.
So, is this
Per
the
half lang.
half a duck?
Half a duck is 168. Okay.
With fine
Per
carbonara.
full is 298. May pancake tsaka pig. I think this is the pancake.
Side dishes.
This one is caviar.
Oo.
With fine caviar. This one. This is caviar. Oh. Okay.
Ito,
This
yung
Roast up
Crispy
in
oven.
really crispy oven. Okay. That's mura. Mas mura siya 98. Ayan siya. Times 2. This one's 238. Braised sea cucumber maca with scallions. Nope.
good man with spring water.
Nope.
Pampabata daw yun.
Nope.
Ano to?
Grilled meat. Old Beijing grilled meat.
Grilled
Ito,
meat.
kakatapos lang natin ito kanina.
Natin yung kanina.
This one din. Parang ayoko na ng ganyang mga itsura.
Tofu.
Tofu. Large casserole.
Walang nangangali ako.
Serve tofu. Hindi mo yun dyan. Follow.
Urchin? Oh.
Mandarin fish with squirrel.
Oh.
Oh. Squirrel? Totoo bang squirrel yan?
Hindi ko alam.
Oh,
Pero
no.
parang hindi ko good.
Hindi ko gusto yan.
Private fish head. Bubble cake.
Okay. Ito lang kinain natin kanina.
Oh, parang yan yun.
Kung pao chicken leg.
It's a
Kung pao chicken leg.
That's what you call yung
Okay.
kanina.
Got it.
Mushrooms.
Okay.
Meatballs.
Next.
Meatballs. Ayan, yung desserts.
Taste of Beijing. Oh.
Oh. Parang snack siya. Ito yung mga noodles yung pinaghalo-halo nila. Yung mga dimsums. Seafood dimsums. Meat pie. This looks interesting. Sugarcane tahini. Plentiful.
Okay. Sit. Thank you.
810, right? 889. What number is it now?
810?
How many more?
3?
more?
Okay. Share.
Yung ba? Isang set ba? Ah, hindi. Yun yung kanina natin.
Oo, yung kanina. Anong nakita mong orderin natin? Peking duck.
Peking duck.
Tsaka yung platter nila na
yung parang-
dimsum.
No, it's not dimsum. It's Beijing Palace. Like,
Beijing
dessert?
Palace. Oo.
later,
Okay.
let's show it na lang.
Alright.
Kung yung itsura nung in-order natin. Then we can rate.
Yes. So, nandito kami sa Jingshan District. And itong restaurant, ang pangalan niya ay Sheng Ni Huan? Sheng Ni Huan. Oo, Sheng Ni Huan. Dito siya sa corner ng anong street to? Liang Guo Chang Utong. I think it's the name of the restaurant or a place din. Pupunta siya dun. Yan. Punta siya dun. But we're here. So as you can see, dinner time kasi ngayon. So maraming tao sa loob kaya waiting dito. And then once you arrive, they will give you a number. And then yun, you can wait on dito sa side. May mga chairs, may mga tables. May mga tables sila. Or may chairs lang pala, walang tables. Ayan. Ayan, may mga chairs that you can sit. Okay. So, excited for their food. Let's try later.
Yes, I'm hungry.
Hungry. Yes, two. Okay, orders complete, guys. Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
And here is the Peking duck. Yan. Yan. Hindi namin alam kung pangalan yung dish na yan. And this is yung ano to? Beijing Palace dessert
Special
set.
dessert.
Special dessert set. And this is the rock gourd juice. Isang picture. And meron silang pa extra na Peking duck na skin. Yan. Okay. Bon appetit! Bon appetit!
Exciting.
Okay. Let's try natin ang what's that?
Oh, isa.
What is this? Parang ano?
Parang pancake.
Pancake ba to?
Yes.
Parang lumpia wrapper. Pwede ba natin kuhanin lahat? This is
Egg, it's manipis per ano. Huh? Which what did you try? The Peking duck?
Ang sarap siya.
Masarap? Legit?
Legit. Para siyang lechon. Lechon yung ano siya, pero ibang type ng lechon. Malinamnam siya. Feeling ko may ano, nilagyan na nila ng tawag doon, may seasoning.
Makeup? Tingnan ako doon. Ito yung mga sauce.
Oh, sauce.
So the first one,
So, lalagyan mo muna ng sauce, yung Peking duck. Nilalagay mo siya dito sa parang, ano pa? Wrapper. Anong tawag dito?
piara.
Lumpia wrapper. Hindi lang din tayo. Ano, kailangan mo siyang kamayin at some point kasi hindi siya pumupupi ng busak. This one, para siyang, I think this is fish.
Is that fish?
你喜欢什么？我想喝的。
No? Pero feeling ko mas masarap to pag sinawsaw natin dito. What's this? Oopsie.
I think it's strawberry. Is it strawberries or
Berries?
berries?
Tweet. No?
It's a berry.
And then this one, ano lang to, feeling ko cabbage.
Yeah, it looks cabbage.
Cabbage curry. 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 Curry cabbage yata to. No?
It's curry.
Curry siya. Sorry hindi ko ako marunong. Iba yung lasa niya. Hindi ko siya trip. And I think this one is ano tawag dito? Gulaman. Gulaman na ano? Gulaman. Hindi ko pa pala napakita. Parang gulaman siya.
And then let's ask for glass. What's that?
Manghang. What?
Kasabang meron siyang parang
Garlic.
Garlic.
Oo. Garlicky gulaman na may something. Ngayon,
stick dapat tayo sa Peking duck.
stick tayo sa Peking duck. Okay. At least na-try natin, diba? Yan ang mahalaga. So kayo guys, pag pupunta kayo sa ibang lugar, lalo sa ibang bansa, try nyo mag-try ng mga local local cuisines, ng mga local restaurants. So itong restaurant na to ay recommended nung tour guide namin. Galing kami ng Mutianyu Great Wall. And then, pagbaba namin ng bus, nagtanong kami dun sa tour guide kung saan yung pinakamalapit na Peking Duck Restaurant. And tapos, yun, sinamahan niya kami dito. Sinamahan niya kami dito. So, apparently, this is one of the best Peking Duck restaurant here sa Beijing Capital. So, the name of the restaurant ay Sheng Funian. Okay? So, kung mapupunta kayo dito guys, try nyo rin. The best. So, try natin tong juice nila. Ito yung no rocks. Gourd. Refreshing. Anong lasa niya? Parang strawberry na
Parang ano,
cherry.
parang strawberry.
Parang strawberry. Oh, strawberry. Okay. Dessert time.
Let's start the dessert.
Okay.
This one first.
Try mo muna yan. Ano yan? Cheese. Hindi. Hindi siya cheese. Katikim na lang ako. Parang ayaw mo eh.
Hindi. I'm trying to think of kung ano siya eh.
Mashed potato.
Parang, no, sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Yeah, na medyo...
Kamote?
Yes.
Okay. May ibang lasa eh.
Pero, oo.
May ibang lasa, hindi parang kamote siya pero parang may ibang lasa.
Pero kamote siya.
Oh, parang kamote. This one, para siyang may chocolate, tsaka ano yung isa?
Ewan ko.
Try natin. Kamote din.
Kamote din? Ito ba ang
Munggo.
mga snacks ba
May
sa
munggo.
Paris? Oo.
Munggo tong ano, isa.
Ang snacks
Yung
ba
isa
sa
hindi ko alam.
Paris ay puro kamote.
Oo, Beijing Palace. Ano yun, di ba? Dessert set. Yun ang pangalan niya.
We were better than...
Pero I like this one better.
Sarap. Take it.
May aftertaste. Na mint.
Na mint.
Try mo. Parang siyang palitaw.
Kaya parang palitaw.
Parang palitaw, pero may aftertaste na mint.
Yung naman sa loob.
Oo nga, yun nga. Parang minty yung loob niya.
Good. Gugupin mo.
Yan.
The inside.
In-order na po namin guys. Pasensya na. Na-curious kami kung anong laman niya. Parang tiramisu. Tiramisu. Milo. Ano?
Parang sabin-sabin na... Bra. May hindi mas kumalo.
Oo, sapin-sapin na
Pero may mas kumpado.
muscovado sugar. Oo, parang naman. Ano kaya? Brown siya eh. Parang ano, tawag doon, Betamax. Betamax yata to eh.
Feeling ko kaparehas ito na ibang version lang.
Hindi.
Hindi. It's different.
Try mo.
Okay. Your eyes can lie. Alam mo kung exist lang mo rin.
Try mo.
Mukha naman siyang hindi nasa okay na.
Munggo.
It's like munggong,
Munggong fine na fine.
mukhang munggong ginelli, gano'n.
Oo, munggo jelly.
Munggo jelly.
Oo, lasang munggo siya. So, okay. Okay. So, yun lang guys. Must try to. Itong Beijing Palace dessert set. Yan. Okay naman siya lahat. Hindi lang natin masyadong type yung sweet potato.
No, this is the one.
Dito.
I don't like the gitna.
Ikaw ako. Ito. Ako, itong sweet potato, tsaka ito ang hindi ko masyadong gusto. Sa tatlong to, ito yung favorite ko.
Yes? For you?
Yeah.
Yeah,
This
this
one.
one, this one.
This one.
No, this. First, second, third.
Yan yung first, second mo. Ako first, second, third. Yun. Okay, kayo guys, try nyo. Tsaka nyo i-rate kung ano yung mas gusto nyo sa... Moment of truth, bill reveal. Tan-tananan. It's 266 yuan, which is equivalent to around 2,000 pesos.
2,100
Oh,
pesos.
2,100. Actually, nabayaran na namin siya guys. And sa Alipay, through Gcash, sa ay 2,082.91 to be exact. Pwede na. Not bad. Sa dami ng kinain namin, na dalawa lang kami. Ito daw yung sikat na coffee dito sa China. So, let's try.
Kung akala ko sarap.
Huh?
Coconut milk latte.
32. Coconut milk velvet latte and velvet latte.
Need a paper bag.
Okay. Shishe. Nice.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Sarap to.
Coconut, ano yun? Coconut milk velvet latte. Cold. Tapos kay wifey is
Velvet latte.
velvet latte.
That's coconut
Coconut
milk latte.
milk velvet latte. Nice guys. Must try.
Coconut velvet milk.
Latte. Latte.
Coconut milk velvet latte.
Coconut milk velvet latte. Yes,
And then
must.
this is velvet latte.
Yeah, try nyo guys, masarap.
Oh, it's good.
Yan, totoo ang chismis, masarap siya guys. Thank you so much for watching! If you enjoyed this vlog, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.
Remember, gratitude turns ordinary days into meaningful ones.
See you in the next one!